Alright guys, Scooby's still warming up, but I did, you know, drive Sylvie pretty much all day today, so the car was a little bit warmer. I want to show you guys how Sylvie's looking exactly. She's looking super, super clean. Oh, love the new wheels. Fitment's on point. What's up, brother? Hell yeah! Yeah, guys, Scooby's warming up right now, so we'll pull her out. We're waiting for the RA to pull up. I'm super, super excited to see the RA. It's been a little bit since we even touched the car. Got the car on the channel, but oh yeah, super, super content with the way things are looking. This car definitely needs tint, guys. Let me know. I definitely want to be doing tint on this thing. I need to put the new Vortex generator that Mitch gave me on as well. And I'm going to be dropping a new video on something that I'm handling with the airlift suspension. So stay tuned to the channel, guys. But alright guys, let's back up Scooby so we can get ready for the RA. Super, super excited to finally be, you know, getting some footage on this car again. It's been, you know, a little bit. He's been dailying it, so it needs some love. We're going to give it a wash. Alright guys, we're gonna close up the garage real quick. Zach Wu just came by. Here's the RA, looking so beautiful. But we're gonna go grab some food real quick, then we'll clean this thing up, detail it up. Say what up, Zach Wu.
What's up?
Alright guys, we just got back. We did enjoy our Taco Bell. It was freaking smack. But Zach's already setting up the foam cannon. I got the power washer set up. Obviously, you know, you guys don't need to see all that, but Blue's here, man. It's so good to see the car, you know, see the RA back on the channel, get to record this beautiful freaking car. But Zaku, as you guys can see, did get the windows tinted. It looks freaking killer. But we're gonna give this thing, you know, a much needed bath. He wants to, you know, really detail her up, so let's get to it. I love this wing, guys. So clean. The carbon on top matches, you know, the pure carbon roof this car has. Remember guys, if you guys haven't caught it, the first video on this car, which did drop a while ago, this is number 480. Super freaking clean. But oh, I love it. Some greeny waters, baby.
This shit ain't gonna come off.
Alright guys, she's about to get the foam cannon and these wheels are about to transform. Watch. No, I'm just kidding.
I wish.
Psych. There she is, foam cannon. Yeah, kid. I love the way the freaking STI 18 plus lip looks. Oh my god. So aggressive. Got the little STI badge right there. that looks sick. I love the way they look all soaked out. Alright guys, so that's just a little quick hand wash with the foam cannons. That's gonna rinse the soap off, and then we're gonna really start detailing the wheels, but they're already looking much better. Much better. The blue's popping. Always shout out to Chemical guys, great products. Look at that, guys. That looks great. Oh. Alright guys, it's starting to get dark out, so I'll have to catch some slow-mos tomorrow, but the Type RA is so freaking clean right now, guys. Oh my god, she's sparkling. It looks awesome. Chemical Guys does such an awesome job, such great quality. Obviously, you know, the RA does it justice, man. The wheels, super clean, the BBS wheels. But hell yeah, we got blue nice and clean. But let me know, guys, what do you guys think about the tint? I think it looks super sick, especially with the fatty strip. Definitely a classic. Made the, oh hell yeah, definitely, you know, made the car look more aggressive. But She's looking sick, dude. Type RAs are fucking nasty. Remember, guys, this is number 480. Sub to the channel if you want to catch more on the build. My boy Zyku is definitely going to be digging into this build more soon, so hell yeah.